Hey friend, I just wanted to say hello, and I realized something today because I just was catching up on messages, right? And something like caught my mind, so I'll share that in a second. But I realized I haven't shown y'all my apartment. My apartment? Wait a minute. I'm not in the studio anymore. My little farmhouse. It's not done. And I think the reason I haven't shown it is because like I have to do the old, it's an older home, but it has so much charm. Yeah, I don't mind the dirty laundry and the hot mess everywhere. But anyway, so I get this message and there's someone struggling that I'm helping. And he wrote to me and he's like, you know what? Last break of the day, he's almost off. So I said, keep going, just keep going. And I wrote, F your body, F your mind, just keep going. You're doing it, dude. You're doing it. And it reminded me of when, I know I've mentioned him before and I know he won't mind, Jermaine, one of the first people I met when I moved to Connecticut, who's now like gone, like skyrocketed through the roof. He was born with his own story. How about that? And anyway, he had made me a video at one point. I always used to say I was broken. I wasn't broken. I was sad, I was stuck, I was miserable. I didn't know the way out. I didn't have the guidance, the support, the help. I didn't have the knowledge. Now I have it. I want to take what I have learned, take my growth, take my healing and give it to you. I really, truly want to give it to you and help anyone out there who needs help. So please, my life has been so blessed. Since I'm sharing my story, I want to bless others. If someone is in need or you need help or you need to vent, message me, write me. Susie with a Z podcast show at Gmail. You all know my P.O. box is on, I think it's on LinkedIn. I don't know. You can find it, YouTube, SZTV Network on YouTube, and everything is linked. So I hope you're all having a great day. All right, bye.